Welcome to Python Programming Language video tutorials by Talent Chain India Private Limited. I am your Kosu Babu sir, Technical, Quant, Logical Reasoning Trainer. In this tutorial, I would like to discuss a few string methods. Those are upper method, lower method, lower method, upper method, swap case method. Without wasting much time, let's start and discuss about these methods. So at first, let us discuss upper method. So let me write it here. Upper method. What it is going to do? So this method converts all the letters into uppercase So do remember. So one important point you have to remember for this method. So that is what the syntax. So the syntax for this method is string name dot string dot upper right. Now this method does not take any parameters. To remember this point, any parameters or arguments. So it does not take any parameters. Okay. Now let's take one example so that you could understand in a better way. Let's go back to my IDE. So let us take A. So here A is a variable which points a string. So let me take the string name is my name. So A points this string. Now, so let us take A dot upper. So what this method it is going to do? It converts all the letters which are there in this particular string into uppercase. Now you could see the output. So there are some characters or letters in this particular string or in lowercase. But because of this method, it converts into uppercase. If you want, you could print this statement. Now let me write here the print statement. So print of A dot upper. So this is what the output we will be getting. Now let me take one more example. Some B is equal to, let us take Talent Shine India Private Limited. Now let us write here. So print of B dot upper. Now let us execute it. So all the letters which are pointed by this variable, that is what D. So have been converted into what? Into uppercase. So that is what this method. So if it is clear, let's go back and discuss the next method. The next method is a lower method. Lower method. Now what it is going to do? So it converts all the letters into lowercase. So here they will be converted into uppercase, whereas in lower methods, so they will be converted into lowercase. Here also the syntax remains same. So syntax is string dot lower. Right. So this is what the syntax. Right. Here also it does not take any parameters. This method does not take any parameters. Now let me execute it with one example so that you could understand in a better way. Right. So instead of upper, let me write here lower. Now execute it. Now here if you observe, the first character is in uppercase, but in the output we got in lowercase. All the letters have been converted into lowercase. Now, so let me erase it and write all the capital letters here. Now let us execute it by changing this method name, that is lower. Now you could see all the letters in this particular string have been converted into lowercase. So I hope the idea of this method is clear to everybody. So if all the lower letters are there in the string, so there will be no change you could identify. So the output remains same. So if it is clear, let's go back and discuss the next method, isUpper. Now let me write the method name here, isUpper. Now what is the role that is going to be done by isUpper method? So it returns true. It returns true when all the letters in a string are in uppercase. If not, which means else, it returns false. So which means it returns what? Boolean values, either true or false, right? Now, let me write here the syntax for this method. So again, it remains same. String dot is upper, right? So it may return either true or false. When it is going to return true? When all the letters in this string are in uppercase. Else it returns what? False. So let me write one example in my IDE so that you could understand in a better way. Right. So now here, instead of lower, you may write here is upper. Right. Now, if you observe here, all the characters which are pointed by this string or this variable are in lowercase, right? So no character is in uppercase here. So if all these characters are in uppercase, then it returns true. So hence the output for this example will be false because here the characters are not in uppercase, right? Now let us see some characters if they are in uppercase. So in this case also it returns the same output, false only. Now, in the second example, if you see here, all the characters or all the letters in this string are in uppercase, right? Now, let me use this method is upper here. So it checks whether all the letters are in uppercase or not, right? So since all the letters which are pointed by variable b are in uppercase, hence it returns true. So though we have a spaces here, do remember. So it checks the characters or letters, whether they are in uppercase or not. If they are in uppercase, it returns true. Else it returns what? False. So in a similar way, is lower method also working. Is lower method also doing the same job. So what it is going to do, it returns true when all the letters, in a string are in lowercase. If they are in lowercase, it returns true. So else it returns false. So I hope you could understand. So syntax also remains same. So the syntax is string dot is lower, right? So this method is going to return a true if all the letters in a string are in lowercase. Else it returns what? False. So which means this method also giving what? Boolean values, either true or false. Now, let me take one example over here and execute it. So instead of is upper, let me write here is lower, right? Now here also I'm changing the method name is lower. Now if you observe here the string, we have majority of the characters or letters are in lowercase, but there is a one letter which is in uppercase. So hence in this case it returns what? False only. False. Now if you observe here all the letters are in uppercase. So hence in this case also it returns what? False only. Now let me take one example. So where all the letters are in lowercase. Now let me change my name first character in lowercase. Now all the characters in this particular string are in lowercase, hence it is going to return true. So that is what this method is going to do it. So I hope the idea of is lower method is clear. Now finally let us go for one more method, that is swap case. So let me write the method name here, swap case. So what is the role of this method? It converts lowercase letters into uppercase. In the same way, uppercase letters into lowercase. So this is what this method is going to do it. Now let us write the syntax. Syntax remains same. That is what? String dot swap case. Now let me execute it with one example so that you could understand in a better way. Right. Now instead of is lower, let me write here swap case. Now if the letter is in uppercase, it converts into lowercase. If the letter is in lowercase, it converts into uppercase. Now let me execute it. You could see here the first character converted into lowercase. The rest of the characters are in lowercase, have been converted into uppercase. Now let me execute it the same method here as well. Swap case. So execute it. So you could see all the letters have been converted into uppercase here because all are in lowercase, right? Now here all the letters are in uppercase, so will be converted into lowercase. If you are writing the method name here, that is swap case, and execute it. So I hope everybody clearly understood the methods. That is what? Upper method, lower method, is upper method, and finally swap case method. So if you clearly understood, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.